is Giovanni Torres, and I am making arroz con leche, which is often known as Spanish rice pudding. Oral history suggests that the dish may have been brought to Spain in some form by Moorish travelers. Its origins, just as likely, resemble those of many traditional dishes we take for granted, a creative response to an unexpected surplus or leftovers. In the days before reliable refrigeration, cooks applied a considerable amount of effort into preserving these surpluses. Recipes like arroz con leche quickly endeared themselves to cooks whose first impulse was starving off both hunger and waste. This recipe calls for the following ingredients. In order to make arroz con leche, you need 1 liter of jasmine rice, 1.5 liters of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, 120 milliliters of evaporated milk, 1.5 liters of organic milk, 15 milliliters of vanilla extract, 30 milliliters of brown sugar, and 700 milliliters of regular sugar. Okay, so we're going to start making our arroz con leche. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to put 1.5 liters of water into a pot. Then we will get 1 liter of jasmine rice and also put it into the pot. Okay, and then we get our 2 cinnamon sticks and put it inside the pot. Then what we would do next is we would set the stovetop on a medium-high setting. And then you would let it simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now let's take a look at the science aspect of making arroz con leche. Well, first off, this stove fire is transferring its heat energy to this pot we got here. And this pot is made to conduct all this heat in order to transfer to like whatever you have inside the pot. This pot is transferring or conducting its heat energy to the water, and the water is transferring its heat energy to the rice, which is cooking it. And also, we're going to wait for this water to boil. And as it boils, that means that it's slowly changing into a gas. Once the rice has absorbed all the water, we can start with our next step by adding in the other ingredients. So what we're going to do now is we are going to add 1.5 liters of organic milk. Organic milk gives it that special flavor, that special kick, as Arnie Torres says. Alright. Now we're going to add our sugar. We will need about 700 milliliters of sugar. Okay. Next, we will add our brown sugar. This recipe calls for 30 milliliters of brown sugar. And now we add vanilla extract. And we will need about 15 milliliters of vanilla extract, which is just right. We will need about 120 milliliters of evaporated milk. Okay then, and now what we're going to do now is we're going to set the burner on low. And then we're going to stir evenly in order for the heat to be evenly distributed, which is the concept of convection. Since I'm stirring this evenly, all the heat is being transferred evenly around the pot. Now that the arroz con leche has simmered and all the sugars have dissolved into the solution, so to speak, it's time to eat. Arroz con leche es mi comida favorita. Delicioso.